Hi, as we have agreed, the current weather conditions are suitable for considering a demi-season and winter kit of all-season field uniform VKPO 3.0. The demi-season kit comprises combat jacket and trousers. The combat jacket is made of soft shell, which possesses high durability and resistance to scratches and frictions. Moreover, the jacket is quite elastic, thanks to the material chosen. Thus, it doesn't constrain your movement. Now a few words on what the combat jacket is. The combat jacket has 6 pockets, 2 front pockets, the other 2 are abdominal ones, and the last 2 we see on the sleeves. The jacket has a collar with lining made of fleece. The jacket has some extension to protect the low back below. From the inner side, there is a lining made of polyester. Along the armpit area, there is a slit for ventilation on zip. The sleeves have Velcro panels for setting patches. Let's get to the hood. We may adjust it in 3 places. On the top, there is small reinforcement which serves as the visor. The collar is made of fleece. The trousers also have pockets for transporting personal belongings. The trousers may be adjusted in accordance with your waist width. Behind there is reinforced material to underpin the waist. The same ones, in particular knee pads, are located in the knee area. So, what does the winter kit consist of? The kit comprises underwear, hat, buff, fleece jacket and trousers. Taking into account the low temperatures in winter and necessity of keeping you warm, it's highly important to combine different kits of VKPO 3.0, what is directly indicated by the producer. Talking on thermal underwear, the up and down are made of knitted fabric and spandex. The spandex is highly convenient while movement because it can stretch. The seams are flat to prevent chafing of the skin. A few words regarding this fleece jacket. The jacket of VKPO 3.0 is made of thick fleece. Thanks to the technologies used, it provides warmth even when wet and dries quickly. The VKPO jacket is zipped. There is 1 chest pocket and 2 side pockets with zippers. The lower part of the jacket is adjustable in volume with an elastic cord. Fleece fabric provides optimal moisture removal. The main material is 100% polyester. The jacket has a small volume when folded, which allows you to save space in vehicles. So, now I would like to talk on the winter jacket and trousers. The jacket is made of 2-layer membranous tissue, which is waterproof, so that you would always be dry. The jacket weighs nearly 900 grams. The layout of the jacket takes after a demi-season kit. The jacket itself has high collar, with a lining made of fleece for keeping the heat. There are 3 pockets on the jacket, 1 front pocket and the other 2 are abdominal ones. The front one is insulated, so you may put your electronic device in and be sure that it will last longer. The lower pockets are also insulated. There are 2 additional pockets on the inside of the jacket. The jacket has some extension to protect the low back below. There are zippers on the jacket sides, which may be unzipped while moving for more space. The hood can be detached, and it is adjustable on 3 sides. Now let's get to the trousers. They are made of the same material as a jacket. There are reinforcements on the knee and around the buttocks area. The trousers stand out with its capability of putting it on while being in shows. On sides, we've got zippers, which may be unzipped for more equipment. Now I'd like to say a few words on the hat and buff. The hat is completely made of fleece, perfectly functions as balaclava. Concerning the buff, it's made of wool and polyamide. The buff can be used as a scarf, as a face protector from cold and frostbite, and even as a hood over the head. Today, we've observed the demi-season and winter suit, and if our customers have some questions or wishes regarding future observations, write down in comments. It will be a pleasure for us to shoot a video. To top it all, we can say with great confidence that VKPO 3.0 is capable of providing whether law enforcement units or armed forces with field uniform in any weather conditions. All good. Bye.